Good morning, traders. Market open on May 11th. As we discussed with my incredible traders, intelligent trader understands well before market open. We're stuck at retail reversal zone, the only option to buy the markets. This remains a problem to the upside. Again, we identify all of this well before market open. And again, doesn't matter what chart you trade. Is it 5? Is it 10? Is it 15? Black and white. This is Alpha Fibonacci System with your brilliant effort and your brilliant brain. This is retail chart in front of you at all times. This is how intelligent trader trades. Not reactively, not in panic, not shorting markets randomly, but strategizing far in advance. Retail reversal zone in a play. Doesn't matter what chart you trade. That's it. And if you decide to trade the system, here's the system before market open that we discuss with my beautiful intelligent traders. Let me project this software to 1 minute chart. That's it. Software showing you to the tick. Target RZ reversal zone. Price collapsing completely. This is drastically better buy. This is drastically better trade. It's a green zone, but it's a retail level. There is no other option this morning. Only this is present. So if the price struggling at this level, it's a counter trend retail junk. Retail trader understands this clearly by looking at this chart. So if you've been in the trading room for the last few months or the last 2 years, you understand all of this identified months and years in advance. Big money is not trading little junky charts. Big money moving millions and millions of dollars that takes days, weeks and months to enter the position. This is a dangerous place to be for retail trader. And this is stunning reminder. We discussed this with students that this will be brutal, nasty morning. Trading range extremely limited. Intelligent trader knows this far in advance. This crash, this sell-off is historical, and as I teach in every single class, it's not the end, it's the beginning for years to come of nasty, brutal, vicious markets. Do you know why? Because when market crashes hundreds and thousands of points, bullish rallies will be hundreds and thousands of points at institutional levels, because institutions will always buy on the way down. And that's what played out this morning, and that's what's playing out in front of you right now. Counter trend bullish move is limited. Market right now in nasty bearish pullback. Trading range is limited. When you understand how brutal and dangerous this is, when you understand where to exit your long and what to expect, nothing else is possible. And this can last hours and days, back and forth. Because with a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows every single day. When market oversold, it's a problem. But again, it's being bought non-stop. It's a historical event. Market reminding you time and time again. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci System, you witness in every single class. If you use your brilliant brain and make an effort, you understand much more historical extreme events next. And it's not just on S&P, it's on multiple charts. So again, if I take you back all the way to October 2021, while S&P remains nasty. Here's the system from this trading room, November 1st. You understand where price is heading to. You understand this will be war zone. And we dissect this in every single class. Historical biggest vertical COVID rally coming to an end. There are very few levels more important than institutional pink line. Have you exited your longs at this level? Are you prepared for historical sell-off? We discuss this in every single class. Here's a market in January 3rd, before the war. Are you prepared for a crash? The world is in shock when markets start selling off. Alpha Fibonacci trader is not. Knows many months and years in advance. This will be historical test point. So what has happened in the months of February? Do you remember that event? First week of the war. S&P was bought and skyrocketed 350 points. While Putin's threatening World War III, institutional longs sitting and waiting to be filled. This morning we are not at institutional levels. This morning trading range extremely limited. Single glimpse intelligent trader understands why this level is a problem. It's junky, brutal, nasty retail morning. Nothing else is possible, only this. Intelligent trader understands how brutal and nasty this morning is. And this can continue for many, many hours. It's a very big difference if it's retail, brutal, nasty junk, or if it is institutional, historical buy point that remains for weeks and weeks and weeks. So despite the war, market was still being bought non-stop. Shocking and stunning reminder of the power of Alpha Fibonacci reversal key support and key buy point. Have you been shorting the market because world losing its mind, or do you understand the importance of this level? Do you trade with ultimate precision horrific retail mornings, or do you speculate and gamble? It's a retail reversal zone. Nothing else is possible, only this. So when I come back from Mother's Day weekend, this is what traders share. Stunning and breathtaking work. Let's take a look. Here we go. Richard trades with 100% success rate since November. Closed 20 Tesla covered call for 16,000 after tax profit. Richard does not need hand holding. Richard discovered that he prefers to trade the system with options. But Robert shares very, very clearly took 48 points on shorts. Bobby loves to day trade the system. Completely different ways to trade. Every trader decides what instrument and what time frame they prefer to trade. Choice is yours. So while market remains horrific and nasty, stuck between retail levels back and forth, short reaches key target, long reaches key target, it's a war zone. Intelligent trader understands we're no longer at institutional buy point, market oversold, stock at retail junkie levels. Again, let's convert this chart to 1 so you can see. It's a pain, it's a crawl. Intelligent trader Retail trader looking to buy the market, but buyers are weak. Again, this can continue non-stop for hours and days to come. If price is not breaking through this level, it's a retail junk, it's meaningless, it's worthless. But for retail trader, it's a very clear message. If you know where Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, the sky's the limit. You can trade any instrument you choose. I'm projecting software and system on 1-minute chart so you can see ultimate precision on very dangerous retail chop. Do you understand that part? Institutional sell-off takes a pause. Market is stuck. And again, this can last hours and hours and hours. So as you're witnessing in front of you, stunning and flawless reminder of what we discussed with my incredible traders, the only option, retail buying, is a brilliant, brilliant move. But again, it's extremely limited place. So let's go and review other stocks. As again, scanner been showing us very, very clearly. There is nothing else. Only retail junkie buying is the best option this morning. There is nothing else. Very limited longs and shorts. Very dangerous chop. Market moving one step at a time. This is intelligent strategic trading in front of you on any chart. Institutions don't trade this chart. Hedge fund traders don't trade 5-minute charts, they trade this chart. Bitcoin. Look at the date on this chart. April 2021, before the crash. In this trading room, what we discuss on Bitcoin. Bitcoin setting up for historical collapse. One step at a time. So when despite global crypto convention in Miami, Bitcoin collapsing 65%, Alpha Fibonacci trader knew that months in advance. Here's Bitcoin 4 months later, by the end of August. Shock or not? If you buy Bitcoin, you buy at this level. Bitcoin collapses another 60%. And again, and again, and again. It's identical reversal zone, except you're witnessing on S&P this morning, on any chart you choose to trade. Your choice. Are you capable of being day trader, making decision in split second? Or do you want to trade the charts, looking at charts every week? Plenty of Alpha Fibonacci crypto traders all over the world, as you will see next, as I'm meeting them in London. I met them in Dubai. Here is Bitcoin with a current crash. It's playing out in front of you right now. And you knew this months in advance. You are not Bitcoin buyer at 60. In front of you, Bitcoin testing historical level again. Collapse from 70 all the way to 28. Is this a buy level? Only when rules are met. And that's how system is based on crucial levels. Historical crashes are only the start. It's not the end, as you see in a single class. That's it. But let's look on Tesla. My goodness. Collapse on Tesla at historical level, 800. Tesla collapsed from 1200 to 800. And you knew this months and years in advance. Let's go back on Tesla, shall we? All the way to October 2021. If you don't want to make decisions in a split second, use Alpha Fibonacci system on any chart, on any instrument long term. You can trade bonds. You can trade Forex. You can trade anything you choose. Choice is yours. Crash on Tesla, absolutely expected, months and years ahead. So on every single instrument this morning, testing historical levels. This is my favorite chart, Netflix. When Netflix collapses from 700 to 177, what is the headlines on Wall Street? I'm very, very close to Wall Street. I just came back from New York, where I spent Mother's Day. Look at that. My goodness. My incredible traders, smarter than Aikman, smarter than top hedge fund traders on the planet, who are moving billions of dollars. Do you know that average hedge fund is down 40%? Do you know the panic on Wall Street? Would you ever buy Netflix at reversal zone? Oops! Let me remind you, this system before collapse on Netflix. Black and white. You are not a gambler, you are not a speculator. September 2021. My goodness. Netflix keep adding subscribers, but bullish rally overextended and showing to us clearly. This is where Netflix setting up to crash from. That's it. Do not speculate, do not gamble. Obey the rules, please. That's it. I will project to you the latest data on average hedge fund. Netflix collapse in a progress. Do you know where to buy Netflix? Or do you keep speculating and gambling? Less than 5% making money in the markets. The rest 95 chasing junk indicators and cheap systems. That's it. You want to stop being a gambler and speculator? Obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. So, all the headlines about hedge funds and institutions losing billions and billions of dollars. How is your fund operates? You are the operator of your own hedge fund. Even if you have in your hedge fund few $100, do you protect your capital? Do you obey the rules? If you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. Let's look on Euro, shall we? I'm meeting students in London next. You understand extremely well, this is historical level on Euro. When one is out, Euro in free fall. This is historical low on Euro. We have never been in this level. Never. So here's Alpha Fibonacci system 2015-2016. My heart goes out to our European students. 105 is out. I said it since 2015-2016. 87 cents on Euro. 87 cents on Euro is out. 60 cents is next. Euro been respecting 105 for the last 7 years. This morning Euro testing historical low. When rules are met, take a trade. Vertical bullish rally on Euro was spectacular. Market in lockdown. Most European countries completely shut. Airports in London completely stopped. How is it possible Euro skyrocketing? Do you remember April 2020? Let's go back on Euro before the crash. That's it. This morning Euro no longer skyrocketing. Euro testing historical level. And that's the power of the system, as I will show you next. faces and emails of traders from all over the world who are serious about being successful. Despite Europe mostly in full lockdown, Euro skyrocketing, and you know months and years in advance, expect sell-off here. Historical level in front of you on Euro. There is no powerful buyers. But again, exact same thing that played out on Euro is exact same thing that's playing out in front of you right now on any chart you choose to trade. That's why hedge fund in Zurich who's trading Alpha Fibonacci System is my dearest friend for life. That's it. We're meeting all the time in Europe. You do not speculate, you do not gamble. You have zero interest being 95% that never makes any money. You are a strategic, intelligent trader who understands pure price is the answer. And when you can trade pure price with Alpha Fibonacci 4 exits, you can trade any instrument you choose and you are prepared for any and every crisis. It's a start, it's not the end of historical events. And you will see this after a single class. That's it. Again, not many buyers on Euro. Again, no buyers on Bitcoin. Not yet. I'm a buyer on Bitcoin here. And we will discuss this in class. We will identify all in advance. So an hedge fund manager in London managing retirement accounts, billions of dollars with Alpha Fibonacci system, and bringing his son to the course, and Dominic killing it, day trading futures. It's an honor. It shows instantly the bar is very, very high. Listen to father and son, how they trade this system. But again, Ken in London done this on crypto on his iPhone. But again, you decide what you want to trade. I'm simply sharing those students I will be meeting in London next. If they can do it, so can you. It never gets old, I promise. So here's from this trading room when market was moving. As Bobby kept sharing 100 points on S&P as traders supporting each other. As again, here's another update from Richard. More and more and more of the trades, more and more of the sharing. And I love that Richard attached this quote from Elon Musk. I think if you want the future to be good, you must make it so. No one else will do it for you. You have to make an effort. It never ever gets old. Brett sharing 6.25 points in Friday. 30 seconds, $500. Can you do that? Students from Moscow who are ashamed and embarrassed about this war, sending me personal photos. Students in Chicago, students in Sydney, students in New Jersey, in New York and Chicago. All of this last week. But if I take you the email from April, with mom of 2 little babies on her hands, 53 points on NQ. Can you do that? Can you make an effort? Can you use your brilliant brain? It never gets old to look on the emails. Non-stop. Non-stop. Pouring soul. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. All of this are simply recent updates. I just received another one. So here's the email just arrived from trader. He did not insert the screenshot correctly. He placed it inside the email. So I'm trying to expand as much as possible so you can see. But again, black and white and simple. Thank you, coach, is all I need. When you make an effort, the sky's the limit. Doesn't matter how small or large your account is. Doesn't matter if you are 85 or 14. You simply have to make an effort. View videos 24/7. But if you can come to live classes, it's the ultimate best. You decide what you want to trade. You can manage your own retirement account. You can day trade, as proven by traders all over the world. But please, obey the rules and ride institutional power. When there is no institutional power and it's a junky retail morning, you understand extremely well far in advance what's causing a problem. Black and white. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision during historical market conditions. Do not waste your time on junky markets. Make a serious effort. Ride institutional power. Do not suffer with stress. Please. That's it. More and more historical markets next. Market no longer at institutional key level. Market heading lower. Do you understand that part? Do you understand why this morning institutional sell-off is tired, exhausted? More and more announcements next. As war in Europe picking up this steam. Remember this very important moment. It's critical. It's huge. Next 2 days. Historical level. That's it. Intelligent trader understands why with a single glimpse. Again, you know far in advance where market is bought. You are not shorting near this level. The only option to buy from. But if price finding sellers at this level, you're extremely clear why. Retail trading range is here. It's junk. Market is stuck. That's it. Retail trader will be tested to the core next few days. But with the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, retail trader knows the rules we discuss tomorrow in live class. This level is out, this level is next. This level is out, this level is next. Is next. Price is always moving one step at a time. Students who are serious about trading, absolutely my best friends for life. I never ever expected to have a student in Saudi Arabia. Never ever ever. When I started website from my heart 11 years ago. So when we're reaching Sydney, when we're reaching Dubai, it's a beautiful thing. It's a global system traded by traders of all levels, on all platforms, on all instruments. You decide. Choice is yours. Are you prepared for more historical events? Do you understand what price is doing in front of you on day trading? Here we go, key moment traders. Again, the price is not breaking through this level. As we discussed with students before market open, it's junky retail longs. Junky. If price starts collapsing and selling off back down to reversal zone, it's a good news. Again, we knew this well before market open. Black and white. No speculation, no gambling here. But it's not an institutional morning. It's a very weak, junky retail morning. So please join us in the trading room where you can see the power of the system. And you can become a trader like Dominic, like Andy, like Theo, like Brad, like Richard. You decide and identify what you want to trade and view 300 plus videos in member area and come to live classes. This is institutional lifetime system for all platforms or lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8 with multi-market scanner, live classes, live trading room, video library, and modules. Currently, we're offering savings up to $5,000. Every single package comes with a different savings. So when you listen to students' podcasts and you view thousands and thousands of emails I receive, choose the option appropriate for you. In private mentoring, I work with you via screen share. I help you on your platform. We focus on your instrument. And you can come to live classes and view video library and modules 24/7. Lifetime system for all platforms, lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8 included. Second option is the most popular option for one simple reason: it's less expensive. Come to group classes when you can, view videos 24/7, enjoy the modules, and of course, practice. That's a crucial part. If you have any questions for me, after you review all the information on the website, after you see what's possible when you make an effort and think as institutional trader does. If complete beginner Pablo can do this and double his wife's retirement account, so can you. If Brett can do this, so can you. If Richard can do this, so can you. Every single one of these traders practice and makes an effort since day one. That's it. The sky's the limit if you obey the rules. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298. As S&P reminding you again and again and again. Market is Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. Buyers are weak. Retail junky morning remain. That's it. And that's what we discuss in each class. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's take a break.